Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Sophie and she's coming today for a redesign. So I took the previous design off, back down to the clear layer. I did all the prep work and now I'm going in with the design. So here I'm using a CJP Tooth Fairy. Actually, I've just watched a video that Liz has just uploaded and she used Tooth Fairy today. So great minds think alike. Now it is a really stunning pink with a like a little bit of shimmer to it, which is always great. So I'm on the baby finger here. I'm just doing a full now of Tooth Fairy. I'm using my Glitter Planet Aqua brush today. I've got the size 12, so I love them. I think I'm going to get the smaller size for more, smaller detailed stuff, but I do love this brush. And you can have 10% off if you use my code Tracy10 at Glitter Planet. Oh, excuse me, a little hiccup there. So yeah, that's me just doing that. And then on the ring finger, so I'm going to do like a glitter fade. I was going to go with pink then, but then I was like, actually, do you know what? No, I'm going to do something else. So here I'm picking up, I haven't used this colour in so long and I forgot how much I loved it. You're all going to think I'm traitors, but I have got a big kit and I have got other colours, but this is Naio's Shell. It's called Shell and it's just gorgeous. I forgot how amazing it is. It was one of my favourites back in the day and it still is. It's just the perfect pink. Honestly, it was stunning. And then I'm going to do a fade down the nail and I'm using Diamond Glitters. Okay, I don't even know how to say this. I'm really crap at reading. I can read obviously, but okay, it's Opalite. Just doesn't sound like it's like I'm saying it right. Opalite. Sorry, Diamond Glitters. Opalite. I'm going to call it Opalite. There we go. I'm using Opalite, and I'm just going to fade that down the nail. And just a reminder that I am from Essex and most of my GCSEs spelt out fudge. F-U-D-G's and E's I got. So yeah, I'm a bit thick. But no, I'm sure it's called Opalite. It's just like a white with pink, purple tones to it. It's stunning. So the middle finger is just going to be a baby boomer. So here I'm using Snow White from CJP, and then I'm using that gorgeous oh my god, I forgot what it's called. Shell, that gorgeous shell. Oh yeah, shell. So the pointer finger is just going to be an ombre, but I'm using the pink and I'm using Tooth Fairy and Shell together to create this beautiful ombre. So then the thumb's going to be a glitter ombre, so I'm using Snow White here on the tip, and then I wanted a little bit of background colour, so I wanted pink. I wanted the pink to show through the glitter, which it kind of did. So I'm just putting a base of that tooth fairy down, and then I go in with that glitter and just create a fade. So now I'm just going to cap all the nails in crystal glass, and I have sped through this part just a tad. So I filed, shaped and all that stuff, bathed, and she gave them a wash with my scrubbing brush and some soap and water, and now I'm going in with top coat. I did put a pigment, well I did this thing on her middle finger, it was like these flakes, but it just made the nail go a little bit, like it just looked green to me, and she was like, I don't know what you're talking about, Trace, but to me it looked green. I tried to wipe it off with some acetone, it wasn't coming off, so I was going to buff it, and she was like, no, leave it, I like it. So we compromised, and I put a pigment over the top of that, which was Glass Me from Indigo, which is a stunner. If you haven't got it, you need it. And it just made it look a little bit better. So yeah, that is the final result. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you did, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.